So we have been talking.
So on Friday, sorry, on Friday we will be having free talking. Okay, every Friday is free talking day. Oh, how are you today, Ngi?
Fine.
You're fine? Okay, so are you excited to go back to school?
Hmm?
Are you excited to go back to school?
No.
Oh, why? Why? You didn't like it?
Yeah, I don't like it.
Why you didn't like it? You didn't like to meet your new friends? Your new classmates?
Mm,
You have your new classmates, right?
I don't know.
You didn't like it?
Because in lower secondary school, I have many like thing like stranger
Oh,
people, stranger people. So I don't like.
because you are new. So, di ba, you moved to another school? Okay, you moved to another school. Okay. So, did you enroll it there already?
Hmm?
Did you enroll it there?
What?
I mean, did you enroll in your new school?
What?
Not
What?
yet.
What?
Did you enroll in your new school or not yet?
No.
Not yet. Okay, so here. So we have here. Oh, wait, Ningy, ha? Why? Wait. Sorry. I will share to you. Okay, so look at this, me. Look at the photo. Guess. You have to guess, huh? Which of the item is the most expensive and which is the least expensive or cheap one? Can you guess?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, please try to guess. Okay. Okay, which do you think, Ngi, the one you think is most expensive and the least expensive or cheap?
Okay.
Okay, so for you, the most expensive is the trainers.
Yeah, trainers.
Okay, let me check. Okay, sorry. So here. So you have here, let us check. You said it's 10,000, 50, or the white truffles is only 5 pounds, flour is only 20 pounds, pen is 50, and the haircut is 30. The trainers is 10,000, and then 10 for the melons. Okay, let us read this one.
Unit 7, Lesson 7A. Exercise 3. 1.
This is a kind of mushroom called a white truffle. It is highly prized in cooking, and the best ones can cost over 10,000 euros per kilogram. A single white truffle was once sold for over 230,000 euros. You might think that's a lot of money to pay for a mushroom, but truffles are very rare and only grow for a couple of months each year.
2.
How much is one flower worth? If it's this particular flower, the gold of Kinabalu orchid, then it's worth £3,500. Why? Because you can only find it in one place in the world, a park in Malaysia. The flower only grows between the months of April and May, and for long periods, many years sometimes, it does not appear at all.
Teacher.
3.
Yes.
This pen, called the Mont Blanc Lorenzo de Medici
Wait,
fountain
wait.
pen,
Yes, Ngi.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So again, I will continue.
Costs £6,850. It's made
Again, very
This
beginning.
is a kind of mushroom
Okay, from the
called
very
a
beginning.
white truffle.
A white truffle.
It is highly prized in cooking, and the best ones can cost over 10,000 euros per kilogram. A single white truffle was once sold for over 230,000 euros. You might think that's a lot of money to pay for a mushroom, but truffles are very rare and only grow for a couple of months each year.
2. How much is one flower worth? If it's this particular flower, the gold of Kinabalu orchid, then it's worth £3,500. Why? Because you can only find it in one place in the world, a park in Malaysia. The flower only grows between the months of April and May, and for long periods, many years sometimes, it does not appear at all.
3. This pen, called the Mont Blanc Lorenzo de Medici fountain pen, costs £6,850. It's made of sterling silver and is engraved by hand.
4. This pair of melons cost over 2 million yen at an auction in Japan. That's £12,000. Fruit is a popular gift in Japan to say thank you to a friend or to your boss at work. Melons need to be perfectly round and exactly the right colour. Perfect apples and strawberries are also popular gifts. But these Yubari King melons are the most expensive.
5. These are Nike trainers dipped in real gold. They were created by the designer Just Another Rich Kid. He created 5 pairs of these Nike Air Dunks for $5,400 each. The New York-based artist, real name Ken Courtney, created the glitzy shoes as part of a collection called Indulgences for the man who has everything.
6.
How much do you usually pay for a haircut? If you're in New York City and want Orlando Peter to do it, you'll need to pay about $800. That's £500. Is it worth it? Well, ask Madonna or Gwyneth Paltrow or Anne Hathaway. They all go to Orlando Peter when they need a haircut.
Okay.
So we have here. Okay, very good. Oh my God, it's very expensive. Okay, so we have here the conversions of 500 pounds, 350, 10,000. Okay, 6,850 and 12,000. So these are the different prices. Okay, so it means the, what they call that one? The complete the prices using numbers, which is most surprising in your opinion. So which do you think for you? The expensive is the chair. How about this one? How about the king melons? Is that expensive?
Yeah.
It's like 12,000, very expensive. Okay. Next, here in the vocabulary, please try with me. Please try to check the definition. Example for number 1. Okay, special order. Well, actually, you can check in here. Okay, please just look at in the red, the shopping.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, please tell me if you're done. So many mosquito Lynn. You just tell me if you're done, huh?
Có.
Okay. Yep. Dun, 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 dun. Ah.
Okay.
So bargain, price tag, discount, refund, refund. Okay, you try to interchange 7 and 6. 8, a receipt. 9, it's discount code. Okay. Now here, listen to the 6th dialogue. Which word from task 4 do you hear in each dialogue? Okay, ready?
Lesson 7a, exercises 6 and 8. 1.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to buy 2 litres of white paint, please. Oh, and some paintbrushes.
Sure.
Can I use this coupon?
I'm not sure. Can I see it? Oh, I'm sorry. It's too old.
Really?
Yes, look at this date. Used before the 31st of August, 2009.
Wow! I've had that a long time.
2.
Hi, I'm looking for a magazine. It's called Great Train Journeys. Have you got it?
Sure.
How much is it?
It's £1.95.
Really? That's very cheap.
Yes, it's on special offer this month. The normal price is £6.95.
Oh, okay.
3.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes. How much are these jeans, please?
I'm not sure. Is there a price tag?
I can't see one.
It's usually here near the top. Yes, there it is.
£85? Sorry, they're far too expensive for me.
Well, we've got some cheaper pairs over there.
Thanks.
4.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm interested in the diamond ring that's in your window.
The one with the large diamond in the centre?
Yes, that's right. Is it £2,500?
Yes. It's a bargain, isn't it?
I don't know. That seems rather expensive.
I realise it's a lot of money. But believe me, it's a big diamond for that price.
5.
Hi, are you just looking?
No, I need some flowers for my aunt.
Is it her birthday?
No, I'm going to see her in hospital.
Well, these roses are £4 each, but if you buy 12, I can give you a discount. You can have them for £35.
Great! I'll take them.
Wonderful. And I hope your aunt gets better soon.
Oh, she's fine. She's having a baby.
6.
Hi, I need to send this package to Brazil.
Okay, can you put it on there, please? I need to weigh it.
Where? Oh, right, okay.
Thanks. So that will be £12?
Yes, that's fine. Can I have a receipt?
Yes, of course. Just one moment.
Okay. So dialogue 1. Okay, 2 special offer. Price tag. Bargain. Discount and receipt. Okay, very good. At least you were able to answer a lot more. So it means your listening skill is very okay now. Okay. So we have here, look at the questionnaire below and complete the questions with the present perfect form of the verbs. Okay, example, have you ever asked?
Have you ever
asked this one? Okay.
Yeah. Have you ever compared prices in 2 or 3 shops before buying something? Have you ever waited for something to be in the sale before buying it? And have you ever saw something in a shop and then looked for it online to save money?
Okay. Next, number 3. Number 3 is okay, so have you ever compared? Okay, have you ever waited? Have you ever seen what?
Have you ever seen? Have you ever seen something in the shop and they looked for it only to save money?
You know. So you read the text and answer the questions. These three only. I am asking you to answer three in the chat box. Three only, ha? Where is it? Okay.
Yep.
So study the dictionaries into and consider the questions. Okay, it's refuse. With each interest, show the verb pattern A at the start of the entry and pattern B in an example.
Teacher.
Okay, so look at this one. So infinitive, we have agree, ing is admit, enjoy, and mind. So we use ing for verb which has ing. Okay, please complete the sentences. Use the adjective or the ing form of the verbs. Number 1. What do you think is the correct?
Jason promised phone me.
Okay, to phone. Okay. Number 2, please.
Number 2 is Tom admitted to steal a CD from the shop. Teacher?
Answer?
Tom admitted to steal a CD from the shop.
Okay, stealing. Okay, or infinitive, you can add 2 or in. 2 or in only, ha? 3.
Joey enjoys shopping in town, but
Very
prefers
good.
shopping online.
Okay, number 4.
I decided other groceries online as I don't like queuing in supermarkets.
Okay. Number 4 is to
Dad suggested to eat
clean. Okay, 5. Dad suggested.
to eat out this evening.
Okay, eating out this evening.
Yeah.
6.
Mom offered that give me a lift to the
Okay, 7.
You can expect to pay less online than in the shop.
Okay, to pay less online and in the shop. 8.
Do you fancy go to the cinema this evening?
Okay, do you fancy going to the cinema this evening? Okay, this is the last activity. Please read. I usually avoid what? This is about yourself, huh? True about yourself.
I usually avoid 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 I usually avoid. No,
I usually avoid what?
I don't avoid anything.
You don't avoid anything. Okay, I really can't stand what? Wow, I really can't stand.
I really can't stand I really can't stand to do to study too much.
Okay, I don't mind what?
I don't mind. I don't know.
What? Next, I spend a lot of time what?
I spend a lot of time to to study and watch TV.
Okay. Oh, next, I sometimes pretend.
I sometimes pretend. No, I don't pretend.
Oh, I really want to. I really want to.
I want to go to foreign country.
I really want to. I never agree.
Never agree. Agree.
Yeah, I often decided what?
I often decided to do like to do homework like that.
Okay, I often decided to sleep
Do homework.
early. Or I often decided to transfer to other school. Okay. I often decided to play Tono every weekend. Okay, that's it. Oh, you're playing Tono every weekend?
I often meet Tono on Monday and Wednesday because I and Tono study literature together.
Wow, very good. Really?
Yeah,
Wow. So,
place.
in Vietnam.
Yeah, in literature place.
Ah, poetry. Literature poetry. Okay, online or no?
No, offline.
Ah, okay. So,
Study,
yes. Ngi, play
Yeah.
together. Sorry, Ngi, ha, my picture Ngi is blurry. Okay. Together, you study together? You study together?
We study together. We
Wow,
study
very good.
literature together.
Wow, very good. You're truly best friend. Okay. Yes, me, I will see you on Friday, same time. Okay, same time. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, Ngi. God bless.